Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Rinse 2 cups sushi rice under cold water until the runoff is nearly clear. Then drain and let rest for 30 minutes to hydrate evenly. Combine rinsed rice in 2 cups water in a tight-lidded pot, bring to a simmer, cover, and cook gently for 12 minutes. Remove from heat and let sit, covered, for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, mix 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt until dissolved. Transfer rice to a wooden or plastic bowl. Fold the seasoning in with a cutting motion while fanning to cool to body temperature. Place 1 standard nori sheet shiny side down on a bamboo mat and wet your hands to prevent sticking. Spread about 3/4 cup of rice evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch bare edge at the far side. Add fillings: about 3 ounces cucumber strips, 2 ounces avocado slices, and 2 ounces sashimi-grade fish per roll. For nigiri, shape 2-ounce rice oblongs by pressing gently. Smear a thin dime-sized amount of wasabi, and top with a 1/2 ounce fish slice. Roll with the mat to compress, then slice rolls into 6 equal pieces with a damp, sharp knife. Arrange sushi on a chilled plate and serve promptly. Consume freshly made sushi within 2 hours for ideal texture and safety, and refrigerate any leftovers tightly wrapped for up to 24 hours, but avoid storing raw fish longer. For a playful but safe gag presentation, use edible garnishes like thin carrot ribbons, cucumber cups, or wasabi flowers. Never include non-food props or inedible items that could be accidentally eaten. Offer small dishes of soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon per bite, pickled ginger to cleanse the palate between pieces, and a dab of wasabi.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.